Ego tripping. There may be a reason why. I was born in Congo. I walked the Fertile Crescent and built the Sphinx. I designed a pyramid so tough that only a star can glow every 100 years fall. Until the center giving divine. I am perfect. I'm so bad. I sat on the throne drinking nectar with the love. I got hot and sipped the ice age here to cool my thirst. My oldest daughter is Nafidi. The tears in my birth pains created the now. I am a beautiful woman. I gazed on the forest and burned out the Sahara Desert. With a packet of goat meat and a change of clothes, I crossed it in 2 hours. I'm a gazelle so swift you can't catch me. For a birthday present when he was 3, I gave my son a Hannibal and an elephant. He gave me Rome for Mother's Day, and my strength will ever flows. My son Noah built new ark, and I stood proudly at the helm. As we sailed on a soft summer day, I turned myself into myself, and I was Jesus. Man until my loving name, all praise, all praise. I'm the one who would save. I stuck my diamonds in the backyard. My bells delivered Uranus. I filled my fingernails, sent my precious jewels on a trip north. I caught a cold and blew my nose, giving oil to the Arab world. I'm so hip, even my ears are correct. I sail west to reach east and had to round off the earth as I went. The hair on my head was laid across a three-part I'm so perfect, so divine, so ethereal, so sterile. I cannot be comprehended except by my permission. I mean, I can fly like a bird in the sky.